Hello students, today we're going to make the skull, the silvery skull for our art. You need to draw a big circle and then under that a big square shape. So I drew my circle as big as the top of my paper could hold, and then you're going to cut it out. So for straight lines we do big alligator chomp. For curving around we do nibble nibble, little fish nibbles. So once you have your big skull cut out of your paper, your card paper, it's actually a little bit stronger than paper, you want to glue it down to your tin foil. We want the whole piece of card to be nicely stuck onto the foil, so glue the whole thing down. It's almost like wallpaper. Glue it right into the middle so that then you can draw a Sharpie outline for cutting. Cut around the foil so that all of the extra foil can be discarded or thrown away. We don't want there to be too much wrinkly foil on the back of our skull. So when you're done cutting, there will just be a little bit left over to fold around the back. So here you can see me folding bit by bit, wrapping the card so that it becomes a silver skull. Some of it might rip in some places, but that's okay because you're going to be mushing it down nice and flat. The three shapes inside of a skull are two big eye sockets, an upside down heart, and then some kind of teethy grin. I drew a smile line, and then I did something called scallops on the top and bottom. They're little half circles that bounce along the line. Now let your imagination run wild. You can do any decoration you want. Something we see a lot in Dia de los Muertos is the scallop shape, or it's called a lace shape. So you might do scallops or lace on the top, on the cheekbones, and even on the chin. Something else we see are little dots to go around a specific part of the design. And this video is sped up. You can take your time decorating your skull to make it look very festive. When an art form like Dia de los Muertos sugar skulls is made, it's always very decorative, which means it is full of lots of decoration. Have fun, guys! When you're all done, it is time to make sure the lid is on your glue stick, and it is time to secure it to your art. You get to use the white brush-on glue for this part, and you get to choose which way you want your skull to be. Your paper can be long, left to right, or it might be tall, up and down. Here I am using kind of a lot of brushes of glue, and then putting it down in the center. I press and hold until it is glued.